Meeting recording has started.
Hi, welcome to the latest in my Cheapo Productions videos. This time around, I want to show you how you can use my DALL-E3 image generation application to create AI images. So it's a very simple web interface. I'm not the greatest web designer. I'm not really good at UIs. Um, it's a simple web interface where I simply describe what I want to create. So let's enter something here. Let's see a man on a horse eating an ice cream cone. And then I simply click create image. You see how that create image is grayed out and the cursor changes to the little spinning wheel while the backend model takes my input and then creates an application, or I'm sorry, creates an image. So pretty cool. Pretty impressive too. Let's say that I want to add a little bit more. Let's say a comic book image of a woman on a bike uh, juggling plates. Same thing. Oh, I should point out, notice that I give the description there. You can think of that as the alt text. So it describes what it just created. I can actually take that description and just throw it right back in again. And so now we have the comic book image of, and this time it did a superhero. And boy, that is quite the interesting way to juggle plates. Um, you never quite know what you're going to get. So actually, let's just take this. And I'm going to just take the text that it created and just drop that right in there. And you'll see that every time I do this, I get something unique. So it doesn't give me the same thing over and over again. So I've used this actually to create some icons for some work that I'm doing and just throw in descriptions. So again, comic book style, this is a very interesting bicycle and a very interesting way of juggling plates. So there's a bit of hallucination sometimes when you do these things. But I think this is all fun and games. So it's amazing though. It's truly amazing. I mean, this one is sort of lifelike, comic book style, and then other comic book style. So how does this work? Again, I'm using the DALL-E 3 model, and I'm using an OpenAI API to do so. You'll see that in the source code, and it's simply one API call. I have an authentication token that I get by creating an OpenAI developer account, and then it gives me a developer token. I pass that developer token into the API call as an authorization header, and voila, this description gets passed in and the image comes out. The image comes out as a URL. And so in my application, I take the URL and I use it in an image tag, an HTML image tag, which I display in this screen. I also display the description that the model creates. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you take the source code and build your own application. And I'm sure if you were a web programmer, you can do a much better job at the user interface than me. So thanks for watching. Let's get on to the code now.